All right, so this is the back end of Creator Connections, and as you can see, there's a bunch of campaigns here, literally 836,000 campaigns, and usually it's actually in the millions, but this time of year, as I'm recording this video, it's August. August is like the really slow month. As soon as we start getting into September and the Q4, there's going to be a lot more campaigns in here and a lot more opportunities to earn 3 to 4 times your commissions just by submitting your Amazon video to one of these campaigns. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for electric toothbrush, and we come up with 140 campaigns, which is nice because I can actually go through here and sort these using the Viral View Chrome extension, which I'll talk about here in a second, and you can see the little Viral View thing here. Before I get into that though, you have to be on your Amazon Associates store ID. You're going to have one that is your Amazon Associates ID, and one is going to be your on AMZ, which means on site commissions, which is your videos that are on Amazon. So once you're there, then you can see all these campaigns and stuff. Otherwise, you're going to get an error. But let's just search for electric toothbrush. We came up with a bunch of these electric toothbrushes, and let's just say that you have this one right here. You've already made a video for it. All you have to do is click accept. And once you click accept, you just submit your video to this campaign. So you submit the link to your video, and actually Viral View gives you that link. So all you have to do is copy it and paste it, and there will be a spot in here on this campaign once you accept it. I'm not going to accept this because I don't have this product and I don't have a video for it. But if we go into my active campaigns, we can go into active here, and let's just click on this Stealth Garage wheel and bug remover thing. And as you can see down here, I have a video for it. So I just copied it. And then all you got to do is select video and then paste your URL and click submit, which I already did. And it's live right here. This is the video that I submitted. Now, every time someone goes to this product on Amazon, watches my video, makes a purchase, I'm going to get that commission, which is a 20% commission, plus Amazon's commission, which is around 3%, depending on which category this is in. So I'm going to be getting a 23% commission instead of just a 3% commission. And that goes from, July 24th of 2026 to July 24th of 2027. So basically all of my sales for the next year from this product is going to be given that 20% commission, which is nice. So you're basically doing the same amount of work, but for like 3 or 4 times the amount of money. Now, I want to take a second and talk about Viral View. This is really the only tool that you're going to need as an Amazon influencer, because it makes everything so much easier. It makes getting free products a lot easier, and it makes product research a lot easier. So instead of me spending hours every single day trying to find different products, asking sellers for free products so I can actually make videos without spending a lot of money, all I'm doing is sending messages using Viral View that's relatively automated and doing all the research, and it usually takes me about 20 minutes a day. Now, as far as pricing, they do have a free plan, but I do suggest to get the professional plan. Every month it's $79 a month, but this is going to pay for itself literally in the first month if you use it. If you don't use it, it's not going to pay for itself, obviously. But the professional account allows you to do all the research and to send all the messages that you need to send on a daily basis in order to get free products. Once you get those free products, you can start making videos, posting them, and all of your videos should be in a Creator Connections program. Once you have about 50 videos up on your Amazon influencer account, you shouldn't really be making videos for random stuff anymore. You should be focusing strictly on Creator Connections campaigns and products with Creator Connections campaigns attached to them. Just because I think your time is going to be a lot more valuable when you're working in this, because you're getting those extra 10, 20, 30% commissions. Now, of course, if you're going through your house and going through your past purchases and stuff like that, that's totally fine. You want to get those reps in. You want to be able to create these videos in a more streamlined way. And the way you do that is by getting those reps in, making more and more videos every single day. But let's just go in. This is a Chrome extension, Viral View Chrome extension. There's going to be things that pop up on the back end of your Creator Connections once you install it. And again, I'm going to leave a link below this video in the description that'll give you 10% off for your entire time that you have Viral View. Here's what I would do. Now, let's just do the electric toothbrush again. So it came up with 140 different campaigns. What I'd like to do is just scroll down to the end here. I don't like to go more than maybe 300 campaigns when I do a search like this on the back end, just because it's going to take a long time to scroll through it. And you can kind of get limited on your searches if you do this a lot. Amazon just thinks you're a bot and you're doing something on the back end that you shouldn't be. So let's just try and keep the number of campaigns that come up when you do a search to around 300 or less. 140 is honestly right in the sweet spot. So I just clicked the little box over on the right here. If you're watching this, is probably above my head. Hopefully you can see that. But then it comes up with all of these things, and it tells you, like, here's the commission rate, here's the number of influencer videos on it, here's the 30-day revenue, and you can actually use the filters in here. So I have my filters set at least one merchant video. So TCM stands for Top Carousel Merchant, and total influencer videos of 4 or less. That means there's at least one spot left for my video to go at the top carousel. And the top carousel is the videos up by the product images. So the bottom carousel is where you're all the way down here on the bottom, where really nobody watches videos. The only time that you're going to get views and you're going to get commissions is if your video is in this top carousel. So that's why we want the least amount of influencer videos on the listings when we are going through doing our product research. So that's why I have 1 and 4 here, and then I just click save. And then you can also look at your columns, and I just have red flags, commissions, product title, image, 30-day revenue, and total influencer videos on here. I do like to see how many days are left in the campaign, just in case I actually find a product that I want to purchase. Sometimes I do that. You definitely don't have to purchase products at all. There's going to be a point where you're going to be getting so many free products that you might even run out of time to create these videos. And most sellers on Amazon want their videos to be posted within a week of getting the product at your door. So once it shows up at your door, you have a week, and there's going to be a point where maybe you have 25 products that showed up that week, and you're going to have to find time to do all those. So I'd like to know, like, how many days are left in the campaign, just so, you know, I'm not wasting my time. Ideally, the more days that are left, the better. I'd like to see number of top carousel videos, and that's about it. So all of this is right here. All of the information that I need is right here. And here's the cool thing. It'll say, like, here's all the 30-day revenue. Here's the number of influencer videos. Here's the number that are in the top carousel, the number of days left in the campaign. It'll give you red flags also. So that's good to know, because you can hover over this and it says, like, campaign's been active for 23 days and 100% of the budget is still remaining. And you can see, like, they're making sales, all right? But it's been open for 23 days, which means why aren't they paying out these commissions? Now, it could be that it's a new product. It could be that the commissions just haven't updated on Amazon's side, but that's something to consider, because maybe, and I'm going to go to the listing here and see if there's anything fishy going on here. So the number of sellers, ViralView tells me that it's 1. So that means the brand is the only one that is on this listing, which is good. It's saying 400 bought in the last month, which means this is selling. So there is something going on here where they're just not paying out their budget. And there's 4 influencer videos already on here. I would skip this product anyway, just because there's 4 videos already on it. And it's not really a high-priced product. They're not doing like 30, 40, 50,000 a month in sales. If they were doing a little more in sales, I would probably just purchase this product and get my video up there as soon as possible. But with this red flag here, with the campaign running for 23 days and 100% of the budget is remaining, that kind of worries me. So I would kind of stay away from that. And that's the good thing about this ViralView tool, is that you can see everything so easy. I mean, out of the hundreds of campaigns that we looked at, there's quite a bit of campaigns here that it's sorted through. But if you want to sort by total influencer videos, you can too. So here's all the ones that have 0 influencer videos. Some of them are getting sales. Some of them are just unknown, which just means, hey, it's a brand new product, most likely. And what I like to do is go in there. Oh, and that one's not found. You always want to make sure. Oh, here's one. Maybe it's the same product and they deleted one, or they deleted a different color. I think they deleted a color, something like that. So you can go in here and say, all right, this is a new product. It says new on Amazon in the past month. So that's why it doesn't have any sales data. But we can go down to the product details and see where this is ranking. So in health and household, it's 85,000, which means it is selling. It's just not selling a lot yet. And the cool thing about this is that it could sell really well in the future, especially if it gets really good reviews. But it could do nothing also. So this is something that maybe I would want to get for free. I just don't want to spend $90 on the product of my own money and then have it just go, downhill from there. So This has been active for 7 days. 100% of the budget is remaining, but that's because it's probably a new product. So this is a U-shape kids toothbrush. So I would not worry about that red flag just because it's a new product. So it's not going to be an issue there. But all these other ones look pretty good here. So we got total influencer videos of 0 on all these and 20% commissions. So what I'm doing is just checking all these and then I'm adding them to my bucket. And when you add them to your bucket, you can actually send messages. I've already sent all mine. Oh, I have 3 left for today. You get 20 messages to send per day, meaning you can send messages asking for a free product from these sellers automatically through the Viral View app. You don't have to go into each campaign and copy and paste a bunch of stuff and find their contact information. It makes it really, really simple to just, confirm and send these messages. So right now it is checking the campaigns, and then here in a second, it's going to send those last 3 messages that I have available for today. And then I'm going to just reload the page and we're good to go. So that's how I kind of do research and send messages for free products. And then every day I just check my messages. There'll be a little red dot that comes up here. I check them and make sure I have any responses. So today, about an hour ago, there was 3 messages from sellers saying, hey, I sent you the product, watch for it, please post a video in the next 7 days after you get it. So that's great. So I'm getting 3 products from my last week or so of research probably. I think I'm getting another 4 or 5 products from this past week. So I have 9 free products coming. I bought 4 products in the last week. So things are going well. We're kind of ramping up here for Q4. So yeah, that's how you basically get 3 to 4 times your commissions through Amazon.